After Oktoberfest, I was so sick. I stayed in Munich doing absolutely nothing for 4 days before flying out to Medellin. I'd gotten some recommendations from a friend at Oktoberfest who traveled to Colombia, and she said to go to Medellin and go to Blink Spanish School. So that's what I did. I signed up for Spanish school. That starts next week. So this vlog is my first impressions of Medellin and Colombia and what I got up to before starting Spanish school. I made it to my hostel in Medellin. It was La Hera, and it's very nice. I was staying in the Via Hostel in Medellin, and I absolutely loved it. The rooms were so nice, with nice views. You could hear the sound of the creek below. They had a rooftop bar and had a nice big kitchen downstairs with a co-working area. It was so nice. I'm gonna go get my SIM card and get some cash, and then I might go on a walking tour at 2 p.m. of the downtown area. But look at this cute hostel. It's so cute. The walking tour was so great. Our tour guide was amazing, and he showed us around the city center. I'm so glad I did this on my first day because it made me so comfortable with the city and like being in a new country, new continent. And he gave us lots of tips on what to do and what not to do, and where we should go and where we should avoid going and all that. It was one of my all-time favorite city walking tours. And I really like doing walking tours when I first get to a city because it's such an easy way to meet people. Like after this walking tour, we went and got tacos and got drinks at the rooftop hostel, so I made some friends already. I just had such a good day. Went on a walking tour around Medellin, and this morning I set up my SIM card, and took out some cash, and did that all in Spanish. And this is such a cute little hostel, a cute little area. I'm really liking it, and I signed myself up for a day trip tomorrow, so that is the plan. I'm gonna go get dinner with 2 guys that I met on the walking tour. They're at a hostel like just down the street, so I'm gonna go meet them, and then we're gonna go get tacos. So I'm headed to Guatape today. I'm so excited. I've heard such good things. I got like 10 minutes. I might go down and grab breakfast. They're picking me up at 7. It's now 6:50, so I'm gonna go grab breakfast and then head to the bus where they're picking me up. We just had a great breakfast. I'm now on the tour. We are stopped in this town called El Peñol area. I'm not 100% sure, but it's so cute, and I just had a shot of this liquor. I didn't know what it was, but our tour guide was like, if you want to try a thing from here, a drink from here, come with me. So I went, and it was liquor, it was a shot. So yeah, I'm looking forward to going to Guatape. I'm also so excited to learn Spanish. I have been getting by, but I can't wait to learn more. I'm surprising myself with how much I remember, but I also can't wait to be able to actually have full conversations with people. What a cute little town.
¿Qué le parece a usted? ¿Qué tal como para una broma? ¿Está bueno para una broma? ¿Cierto? Míralos acá. Vamos a armar. Y al regresar, si les gusta, capuz.
We are going way up there. The Guatape day trip was so fun. It was about 100,000 Colombian pesos, which is about 30 Canadian dollars. So worth it. We got breakfast, lunch. We went to a couple different places along the way, and we hiked up Guatape, which you had to pay an extra 20,000 to hike up there. But it's so worth it. Such beautiful views at the top, and got like a beer and a ice cream up there. Highly recommend doing a day trip to Guatape. Out of 700. Tell me why I wore jeans. Way more tiring than I thought. Now I want una cerveza. This place is very cool. I loved it. Loved it. Such beautiful views. I wish I stayed here for a couple days, but what can you do now? If you're in Medellin, stay here for like a night or two. It's so cool. It's called Guatape.
Yo te prendo la vela, 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 vela. Iluminamos nuestras vidas como velas, velas, velas de mi vida. Esa noche que te llamé, estaba lista para el
viaje. Nice day trip. I didn't know really anything. I didn't know what I was expecting. I just heard good things about it and it was recommended to me. But we ended up doing a lot. We got a lot of food. We got to go on a boat, ride by some cool houses along the shore. Pablo Escobar's one of his houses that's abandoned now. And then we rode by another, the goalie of the Colombia football team's house, or summer house. It was really nice. And then we went to some really cute towns. It was so colorful and vibrant. It was just really nice. And the whole thing cost 100,000 pesos, which, to convert it to Canadian, I just take off 3 of the zeros at the end and then divide by 3, and that's approximately what it is. So it's like about 30 bucks Canadian. That's how I've been doing it. I had some awkward scenarios yesterday with the money because I didn't know how it worked. So I gave our walking tour guide a very big tip. But I kind of knew it was big, but he was talking about how he lost his camera, so he's been saving it for a new one, so I gave him a bit extra so that he could put it towards that. And he also donates a lot of money to the homeless, or homeless organizations, something like that. So I think that it was a good investment. What was I going to say? 100,000 is 29 Canadian and 22 euros. 11 hours of activities. Our tour guide was great. His name was Nelson, and I really got to work on my Spanish. I'm so excited to do my Spanish class. Yeah, so it's 6:10. One of the girls in my room, actually, she gave me her WhatsApp yesterday and asked if I wanted to grab coffee or something today. So I might ask her, text her, and see if she wants to get some dinner. Otherwise, there's like salsa lessons up on the rooftop, I think, every night. Or there's activities up there, so I might go up there. But I am pretty tired. I'm gonna just like take a couple of minutes, let my phone charge, and make a plan. But yeah, today was great. Tomorrow I have to change rooms. There wasn't enough space in this hostel room, so tomorrow I have to change rooms, and I'm just gonna have a more low-key day. So I'm tired, and I somehow don't have jet lag, but I think I do a little bit. It's just not as obvious. But anyways,